Hello there, my name is Howard Weinstein, and I'm proud to be an instructor for the Florida Education Services FES faculty. And the classes that I teach for FES are objection handling techniques, closing with ease. I teach leadership unlocked, and I teach the 6 personal perspectives. On December 19th, I'll be in real estate for 30 years. Yes, a long time, 3 decades. I'm currently a teacher for FES. I'm also a KWU approved trainer. I'm a general manager for 3 market centers in the Tampa Bay marketplace, Northwest Tampa, Clearwater, and Bel Air, and have been in that role for 12 years. And I'm an OP operating partner for a market center in Cocoa Beach, Merritt Island area. We have that market center open for 4 years. I'm also a MAPS mastery coach for leadership as well as agents. Like I said, I've been in the industry almost 30 years. I grew up in it. My mom was in real estate. I'm originally from Annapolis, Maryland, where she started her real estate practice, and I grew up in that office. So even though I've been in for 30, I feel like I've been in for much longer because of that. And I have a passion for the industry and love impacting lives. That's me. I'm Howard Weinstein. I'm looking forward to seeing you at a FES event soon. Take care.